here we go for a butt-puckering adventure. So I just got myself across with the cart. Keep telling myself eventually I'm gonna get to digging this out and straightening that up. There's gonna be so much dirt work and digging over there. And this side would be nice because it just gets like sediment filled and sanded in that it's so soft and squishy. Hopefully he's staying close. He's got a bit of a drop off. He can go straight up the hill if he needs to. And we're gonna get a little bushwhacked. Not too bad, I guess. So the combine's not bad to get up that hill. Well, I guess Dad wanted to go straight up the hill. And I really want to like dig straight in because it leans so bad. Ooh, that's gonna be a lot of dirt to move. It's hard to, really just probably could try to cross a little farther down, dig it out so we're down more on the level bits. So that was fun. Always like crossing that. That's where I dumped that wagon. You know, just a little bit of adventure. So we're gonna get the head hooked up. We've seen that before. Got it all greased. Really only has minimal grease fittings. The total of 8. End of the wobble box there, one up high. Each drive shaft, there's one in each universal. So we've seen this happen a million times hooking up. But we might as well watch it one more time. Hello BAME Farm fans. I've got to shoot this video real quick because the new owner of the 1486 is pulling in the driveway. Yep. Oh, it's another thing. Hitch pins, all the tools I put in here. I can have the rag, but I want my hitch pins at least. We'll take a little walk around, see what I did to the 14. Before it goes. It looks a lot different. It looks kind of naked, doesn't it? That's because I took the duals off, took the weights off. And they can have the rag and the pen. We'll give them your corn and that stink bug. Yep. Sold the 14. Sold it, ended up selling it for what I had in it. And was able to keep the duals, weights, and the hubs. And you know, I'm gonna miss it a little bit, but we've got 4 over 100 horse tractors, and I mostly have the big tractors for tillage. The TW's in the barn, so we're gonna sell this to buy all the gears to redo the front axle bits on that. So one last look at it. It was a great tractor, a good oops auction buy. Really came in handy when the TW decided to have a problem. It's like when I bought the gas TR80 or the TR70. It was before the diesel had problems, but I had another combine here just to step in and keep rolling. So my accidental auction buys have unfortunately came in clutch. Not planning on having troubles, that's just how it went. So one last go around, I took those flashers off. Those didn't work and they were ugly. I did figure out the tires were beet juice filled, and I hear them out front. I need to stop going in circles, but we're just showing this off one last time.